Welcome to the Power BI connector from Redware for Xero. This is a quick video just to show you how to set it up for the first time. So you should have logged on to redware.com and got your license key here. We should have emailed you a link to this page so that you can download the setup file and then just open up the setup file. It runs on Windows and run it. It's going to download it and then fire up the app. So for Windows security, you have to just click this the first time you run it. And now the software is running. If we go to the setup, we haven't got a license, so we add our license there and press fix, and that will bring it down. And now the Xero button will appear. You can also put your email and log in there and log on, and it should also bring down the license. When you go to Xero, we're not connected at the moment, so the first time we have to log on, and that's going to let us log on to Xero Authentication. We have to allow access, and then pick the company that you want to connect to on Xero, press connect, and that now we've successfully logged on. We can close this browser, and we can see that we're logged on to Xero. So now if we go to Power BI, we've got the Xero option here. And if we create data files, it's going to run through Xero and drag all that data down into this program folder here. Obviously, if you've got a lot of data in Xero, it's going to take longer than this. If you then open up Power BI, you need to have Power BI desktop downloaded onto your machine. And now it's opening up our sample PBIX file, which will let you upload. So here it is. And it will let you load. When we press this refresh button here, which is going to take a few seconds to appear, when we can press this refresh button, it's going to upload all the spreadsheet data. So let me just show you where that is. We've made a data folder here. This is the PBIX file that you can modify. And then here are all the text files that contain the data from your accounting system. And that's what gets updated each time we run the software. And that's what you can set up in a Microsoft Gateway to upload up into Power BI quite regularly. So let's see if our refresh button is available yet. There it goes. So that's pulling in the data from the C drive here, which is from Xero. And again, just give that a second. If you've got a lot of data, obviously that's going to be a lot of data there. Just while we'll, yeah, there it goes. So this is now Xero data, and we've got other videos, but you can see all your customers. You can see the sales for your customers here. You can see all your products, for example, and it's all. And then you got your sample PBIX, and from here you can publish it up into the cloud. Just be careful because security is not super tight in Power BI, so be careful who you share it with. And just to show you you'll have a shortcut here back to the software, so you can run this again and watch another video for how to set it up in batch mode and so on, so you can run it once a day. So that's connecting through to Xero for our Power BI connector. Any issues, please check out the videos or you got a manual here, or email us at support@redware.com. Thank you.